How to recover deleted contacts from WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted contacts from WhatsApp. Start by checking your Gmail address book if your contacts were synced with your Google account. Then, go to Google Contacts on a browser, check the list, and restore any deleted contacts. If you have a Google Drive backup, you can restore your WhatsApp chats and contacts by uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. During setup, select Restore when prompted. This will recover messages and any saved contacts linked to your chats. Another option is using third-party tools like MobileTrans WhatsApp Transfer, which can help recover deleted messages and contacts from previous backups. Make sure to try these methods as soon as possible to increase the chances of successful recovery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.